Good morning, students. Let us I would like to welcome to CAD/CAM lab. In this CAD/CAM lab, now we are going to discussing about one of the CAD experiment, that is the press tool assembly. Given press tool assembly, we have using CAD software. In our lab, using that CAD software is Creo 3.0. This particular object we have to design using three different modules. That is one part design, assembly, and another one is a drafting. We have to using three modules. Now going to open the Creo 3.0 software. This is the interface of the Creo 3.0. Now now click on new. So they are now display one dialog box. In this dialog box we have defined different modules in Creo 3.0. This particular object we have to using part design and assembly, and another one is the drawing. First of all, we have to discuss the part design. Then click on part design. So it is the unclick the use default template. Then okay. Now display another dialog box, that is the we have to select the mmns underscore part underscore solid. So this is a millimeter newton second. So the units in millimeter. So now open the part design interface. So this is the part design interface. We have some 3D commands: extrude, revolve, swept, some edit features, the whole, round, chamfer, like that. This is the pattern. These are the 3D commands in the part design interface. But in this particular object, we have four components. That is the bottom plate, top plate, and guide pillar and guide bush. So in this, first of all, we have to discussing about bottom plate. We have observed in the top view of the plate. So in the length and this is the width. Length is 250 and width is 150. So we have to using one rectangular command and circle. We have to only using two commands. One is our what rectangular and another one is a circle. So now that is the top plate. So extrude, we have a command using extrude. Then go to select top plane. So now going to select sketch view. Sketch view, click on sketch view, then screen parallel to the plane. Now we are using rectangular command. We have a four available in four rectangular commands. So we have to using center rectangular. Then click on center rectangular, click on the origin of the plane, then click on second corner. Now escape. So now display two dimensions here. That is the coloring indication light blue. So double click on the dimension, we can edit the directly. So in this object we are using 150 width and 250 length. Clear? So we are double click on the dimension, we have to assign 150. So another one is the 250. Next, there's a four places, four holes, that is the diameter 25. It is a placed from left to 30, bottom to 30. So we have draw a one circle, draw a circle. So this is the dimension 30. Similarly, this is the 30 and diameter is the 25. It is the four places. So we have a pattern, but in this sketcher environment there is a pattern is not available in the Creo 3.0. we have to using mirror. That will take center line, draw a center line, it's a one vertical, and draw a center line, one is the horizontal. Clear? So next escape, select that whole one object, that is the circle diameter 25. Select object, go to select mirror, then go to select center line. The object will be mirror. Already object selected, then go to select mirror, select center line. Object also mirror. Again object already selected, then go to select mirror, then select center line. So same, the object 4 holes 25 diameter. So similarly one another hole 50 diameter from the bottom of height is of uh, 50. So take the circle, draw a one circle, but the distance between from here to here dimension 50. Draw a one circle, sorry, click on the center and click on the edge, click on the mouse middle button. So now display one dimension, double click on dimension, we can edit the dimension directly. Height is 50 and diameter also 50. Now sketch is prepared. Then when sketch is completed, then go to select OK. Next, that object is coming to 3D object. It is automatic. We have a sub options of the extrude. We have to using the symmetric from the both the material adding same length. But in this object, the 30 is a adding the material and the 30. We have to using the 30. So bottom plate is ready. Then one working directory folder. For example, on the desktop, we have to using one new folder. That is the press to assembly. One folder is indicated. That is the working directory. So now go to this bottom plate is save file, save as, save a copy on desktop, new folder, press tool assembly. Now file name bottom plate, then OK. So another one, so this is a working directory folder. Once check it, press tool assembly, this is our component. Clear? Right. So another experiment, another object, that is the top plate. Same dimension, length or width is the same, but 4 places the diameter 40, and this is the shaft 90 mm. So in this object we have to edit same a bottom plate object, we can edit the directly. So click on the sub option of the extrude one, go to select sketch one, right click, so edit the definition. We can edit the sketch directly. Then go to sketch view. Sketch view means the plane parallel to the screen. So this is actually adding material, so I am removing it. So these are the 4 holes 40 diameter, same places. It is clear? Then done. Same dimension 30. So we have to observe it. So 30 same dimension. So here, so same, it is a hole, but it is adding material, that is a depth of 90. That is the depth of 90. So now going to select bottom of the face. Again extrude. Go to select this face. Go to sketch view. So circle. Our you are using circle command. Again dimension from center to from this end. Mouse click middle button. Again now display dimension. We can edit the directly dimension 50. The diameter of the shaft 50. Then OK. So here from the plane, from the surface to 90 dimension, then ready. So bottom plate also design. File, save as, save a copy, top plate. Clear? Top plate. Similarly, again another object, that is the guide pillar. So this is the right plane, that is the 25 mm. The length of the shaft is the guide pillar is the 200, so we are using sketch 25 diameter. So again, file, new, part design, unclick on the use default template, then okay, mmns part underscore solid, then okay. So extrude, I will select the right plane, then go to select sketch view, take the command circle, draw a one circle, the diameter is the 25, again okay, then but the length of the guide pillar is the 200, that is the clear. So we have one edge is the chamfer, distance 2 into 45 degrees. We have a sub option, that is the edit option in the edge engineering. So we have to select the chamfer, edge chamfer, click on the edge. In edge chamfer we have a sub options there, so we want to using the 45 into d. In this d we have to using 2 diameter, so we are already using 2 into 45, so here we have to using 45 into d, then run. So similarly here also, round, sorry, chamfer, select this edge, 45 into d, then okay, clear. File, save as, save a copy, our working director folder, this is the guide pillar, then okay. So another final component is the guide bush. This is the diameter 25, outer diameter is the 40, the length should be 60. Here we can edit the, so we can edit this guide pillar object, delete chamfer 1, delete chamfer 2, so edit the sketch 1, we can directly edit this. So same units are already using guide pillar. So inner diameter 25, outer diameter is the 40, clear, then done. But length should be 60, not 200, so we can edit the extrude 1, so edit definition, we have to use assign the 60, so the 60 in the given object, then done. Same edge chamfer also, here also same 2 into 45 charm. So we have to using the chamfer, you are using sub command 45 into d, so d should be 2, so select the first edge and second edge, then done. So our fourth component is prepared. So again, save, file, save as, save a copy, then guide bush, name as guide bush. I have using underscore, not space not accepting the name, then okay. Now first one is the modeling is prepared, second one file, new. So next next module is the assembly. We have prepared in 4 components, have to assemble 4 components. The next module is the assembly, then okay. So in this mmns asm design, millimeter newton second asm design, we have to select that sub option, then okay. Here this is the assembly module interface. In this, how to call the objects, we have to using assemble command, uh, that is the assemble. So our working directory folder, the desktop, a new folder, that is the press tool assembly. We first call it bottom plate of the object. Here, that is the object, it is observing preview. Like this is our right object of bottom plate, then open. Here observe it in the color pink color. So we have a different constraints is there, but in our Creo first command it should be default. You should be click on default, that is the status will fully constant. So all degrees of freedom it should be 0. Again another object, assembly guide pillar, then open. Here, so this is the 3D dragger, it should be rotating 360 degrees. You are arranging your adjustment. So here one hole, in this hole we have observing one axis. Similarly the guide pillar also one axis. You should both the axes will be coincident, that this object having a degrees of freedom 0, so there is, it is a constant, it is a movable. So we have to assigning the this circle axis to guide pillar axis. Now select the circle axis, again guide pillar axis. We have a display some related constant, we have to using the coincident, then object will be coincident. But in the bottom plate, bottom to guide pillar bottom face, it should be distance 0. So again given one constant, that is the bottom face to guide pillar bottom face, the distance should be 0. So again status will be fully constant, so the all the degrees of freedom also 0. Here make a pattern to fill the 4 holes. So select the guide pillar and pattern. We have a pattern, the different 4 options are there, we have to using the direction. So direction, click on select one, select this one first direction, flip the direction, we can change the direction, the hole to hole distance between 190. And the second direction, this is the select the second direction, so flip it, this distance will be 90, then again flip, then done. So 4 guide pillars are prepared. Again another component importing, assemble guide bush preview, then open. Clear? So again rotate it, again guide pillar axis to guide bush axis, click on, both are coincident. Then from the guide bush top to guide pillar bush top, the distance between 60. Is it clear? So again fully constant, so object fully constant, then done. Clear? Next select the guide bush, go to select pattern, make a pattern. It is the already one pattern is created, so in this Creo software we are already previous pattern automatically we are taking the positions, then done. So guide bush also prepared. Again final component top plate assembly, then click on top plate, then open, again rotate here. So this is the shaft axis to bottom plate hole axis, it is a coincident. Clear? So this is a 3D dragger, we have to using to drag it. Clear? It is move up and move up. So select this axis and guide pillar axis, it should be coincident, right? Okay. Again, top plate bottom face is connected to guide bush top face. It is automatically fully constant, but the distance should be minus 30. Minus 30. The object is fully constant. Sorry, guide bush should be 30. This is also 30. This is the assembly module also completed. We have some hide the datums. So unselect all. The planes and axes should be hiding. So this is the explode view. Explode view. This is the assemble. So we have to using the coloring. For example, bottom plate with the appearance of gallery. So we have to select this is the top plate. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 guide pillar. We have to select another coloring indication. Similarly, guide bush 1, 2, 3, 4. Another coloring. So top plate, I have to select another color. Yeah, this is the coloring indication. How we can identify easily. So this is the explode view. This is the unexplode. So now another module is the drafting. New drawing, then okay. Portrait or landscape, we are using portrait, then okay. This is the drawing. So in this drawing we have to using the views generation and assigning the dimension. From in this observe the say in this object we have select the top plane. This is the front plane. This is the top view. This is the front view. So we can easily views representation as well as dimensioning. So first of all we are adding one drawing model. Add model, select one bottom plate, then open. Again general view, no combined status, there is a okay. Click on screen. So that is the bottom plate. Then we are using top view, then apply. Similarly, view display, go to select wireframe, then apply. Clear. This is the top view. This is the projection view. Select the front view. Double click on the object, view display, go to select wireframe, then apply. Here views representation as well as dimensioning. Select this object, go to annotation, Go to show model annotation. Which dimension you want, select that. Do I want 250, 150, this is a 30, and again 30, this is the 50, diameter 50 and 25. Then apply. We select the dimension and move it. Here the dimension, select object, select control, select another circle, the difference between the both the holes. Select control middle button, middle mouse middle button. So again select this object and go to show model annotation. Select only one dimension, that is the depth 30. Similarly, we importing um, bottom plate and top plate and guide pillar, guide bush. Here again one component is important, that is the layout, drawing models, add models. So last component is the guide bush. Select guide bush, then open. So again click on general view, no combine status, it is okay. Click on the screen. So I want to select the one plane, that is a view, that is the right view, then apply. Clear. It is a double click on the object. Now display one dialog box. Go to select view display. The display style you should be wireframe, then apply. Clear. So select object, go to select projection view, that is the front view. Double click on the object, go to select view display, views display style, go to select wireframe, then apply. Here select object, go to the toolbar annotate and show model annotations. So we have to we are using only, we want only one dimension, that is the length and chamfer distance. One is the length, another one is the chamfer distance, then apply. So in this object we need two dimension, that is the inner diameter and outer diameter, then okay. We select the dimension and move it. So in this experiment the final module is the drawing. So first one is the modeling and second one is the assembly, third one is the drafting. So our experiment is completed. So final, this is the explode view, this is the assembly.
How to do the explode?